wave, there are certain reports saying that a possible third wave could actually impact children. But this is the first reaction that we've picked up from Dr. Randeep Guleria, the director at the All India Institute of Medical Sciences, who says, and listen to this very, very carefully, he says that there is no scientific evidence that actually tells us that this third wave, if and when it happens, could actually end up impacting more kids.
हम ये देखें कि अगर हम पिछले दोनों वेव्स को देखें तो एक वर्ग जिसमें बहुत कम केसेस आए हैं या जो बच के रहा है, जिनमें केसेस अगर आए तो बहुत माइल्ड रहे हैं, वो बच्चों में है और वायरस तो वही है। इसलिए ये कहना है कि अब अगले वेव में बच्चों के बहुत सीरियस होंगे या बच्चों में डेथ ज़्यादा होंगी, ये साइंटिफिकली ठीक नहीं लगता है। दूसरा चीज़ ये है कि तैयारी हमें करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि जो हाइपोथेसिस है लोगों का वो ये है क्योंकि बच्चे अभी प्रोटेक्टेड हैं, उनमें केसेस ज़्यादा हो सकते हैं क्योंकि अभी तक वो घर पे रहे हैं, स्कूल पे नहीं गए हैं या कॉलेजेस में लोग बच्चे नहीं गए हैं, और जब ये स्कूल और कॉलेजेस खुलेंगे, बच्चे आपस में मिलेंगे तो शायद केसेस बढ़ सकते हैं उनमें। लेकिन अभी तक जो भी डेटा है वो ये कहता है कि बच्चों में इन्फेक्शन माइल्ड होगा, ज़्यादातर बच्चों में एडमिशन की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। हमने भी अपने हॉस्पिटल में यही देखा है कि जो बच्चे एडमिट हुए हैं तो वही एडमिट हुए हैं जिनको कोमॉर्बिडिटीज़ हैं, या जिनको मान लो कोई कैंसर की बीमारी है, कीमोथेरेपी चल रहा है, कोविड हो गया तो वो ज़्यादा सीरियस है। हेल्दी बच्चों में बहुत माइल्ड इलनेस हुआ है, मेजॉरिटी को कोई ट्रीटमेंट की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी।
So that's a very important reaction, I think, coming in from Dr. Randeep Guleria. Madhurima has been able to access that for us, and she joins us live from the national capital. Madhurima, I think this is a huge statement coming in from Dr. Guleria, who actually does allay fears, and he says that till now there is no scientific basis that will tell you that kids will get affected more if and when a third wave happens. But then he's also sounding caution, and he says we have to be prepared no matter what.
Well, absolutely, Deepti. Dr. Guleria has said the obvious, that prevention is better than cure, of course. But then this particular report of third wave, which is cautioning a lot of children, and the kind of apprehension that rise because of such reports, that children will be affected the most. And one reason which was being given, that the children have not been vaccinated yet. But now this statement by Dr. Guleria has taken off the burden to a great extent, where he has said that there is no scientific proof to whatsoever to claim this theory that is correct, that the third phase will be affecting children the most. However, he has also asserted on the fact that children were least affected in the first and the second wave as well, and majority of them didn't even require very rigorous medication as well. They got, they recovered from COVID-19 quite easily in comparison to, adults and the elderly. So this statement, which is coming from Dr. Guleria, though he warns of caution, he says that we should be prepared, we should be prudent before any third wave hits us. And of course, like he said, that if schools open, and even this decision could also affect the other decisions that are being pending, like class 12 exams and the entrance examination, because parents, teachers, all are apprehensive of the fact that a third wave is going to affect children. However, this statement coming in makes it a lot easier and better, that there is no scientific evidence that the third wave is going to affect children the most. Deepti.
Yes, and Madhurima, as the doctor said, do not let your guards down. For the moment,